The future of regenerative healing is focused. And it begins with the Infinium Focus Shockwave System. In today's healthcare landscape, patients are demanding faster relief, less downtime, and more natural biological recovery, without drugs, injections, or invasive procedures. That's why leading regenerative medicine providers, pain specialists, orthopedic clinics, chiropractors, physical therapy centers, and medical spas are turning to advanced shockwave solutions. The Infinium Focus system delivers deep penetrating, clinical-grade focused shockwaves designed to stimulate tissue repair, accelerate healing, and provide rapid pain relief, even in cases where conventional treatments have failed. If your practice treats pain, mobility issues, degeneration, inflammation, or performance and recovery conditions, this technology is built to elevate your patient outcomes and expand your service offerings from day one. Shockwave therapy has been trusted in medicine for more than 4 decades. Originally used to break up kidney stones, shockwave quickly proved its regenerative power in soft tissue medicine, orthopedics, neurology, and sports recovery. But not all shockwave devices are the same. Most entry-level systems use radial technology, delivering energy that spreads broadly and only penetrates superficial tissue. These devices offer temporary relief, but they don't reach the true source of chronic or stubborn conditions. The Infinium Focus system uses electrohydraulic focused shockwaves that penetrate more than 60 millimeters deep into tissue, reaching the damaged structures where pain and dysfunction actually originate. This targeted approach allows clinicians to treat chronic conditions at the source, support natural regeneration, restore vascular function, and accelerate recovery in ways that surface-level devices simply cannot achieve. So how does focused shockwave accelerate healing? Focused shockwaves deliver mechanical energy into damaged tissue. That energy triggers a cascade of biological responses that support regeneration at the cellular level. Here's what happens inside the body. Cell membranes become more permeable, enhancing nutrient and oxygen transport. Biochemical signaling pathways activate to initiate tissue repair. Calcium mobilizes to fuel cellular metabolism and tissue recovery. New blood vessels form through angiogenesis, restoring microcirculation. Collagen production increases, strengthening and rebuilding tissue. Scar tissue and adhesions break down, improving mobility. Inflammation reduces and pain receptors are desensitized. These are the same cellular mechanisms activated by advanced regenerative therapies, including PRP, biologics, and stem cell-based modalities. But with focused shockwave, we can jumpstart and amplify these biological effects non-invasively, with no downtime, and often noticeable improvement after the very first session. This is why focused shockwave therapy is trusted by elite sports medicine programs, orthopedic surgeons, and regenerative physicians. It works at the deepest biological level to accelerate true healing, not just mask pain. The Infinium Focus system is engineered to treat a wide spectrum of clinical conditions across multiple specialties. In musculoskeletal and orthopedic settings, it excels at addressing tendon and ligament injuries, plantar fasciitis and heel pain, rotator cuff dysfunction, chronic knee, hip, and spine issues, as well as joint degeneration and arthritis. It is also effective for athletes and active individuals suffering from shin splints, stress-related bone pain, trigger points, and mobility restrictions, helping restore function and accelerate recovery. For neurological and nerve-related concerns, focused shockwave can provide relief and support healing in cases of neuropathy, nerve entrapment syndromes, and radiating pain caused by soft tissue irritation around nerve pathways. By improving circulation and reducing inflammation, the system helps restore nerve performance and patient comfort. This gives providers the ability to blend musculoskeletal care, regenerative medicine, and aesthetic improvement into a single versatile platform. The Infinium Focus Shockwave system is a powerful, versatile, and clinically proven technology that allows practices to treat deeper, heal faster, and deliver true regenerative outcomes. If your practice is committed to advancing results, expanding treatment capabilities, and giving patients access to leading regenerative technology, this system belongs in your treatment arsenal. Infinium Focus. Precision. Science. Results.